Clap for the win. One more. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, spiritual community. The rise of artificial intelligence, Neuralink, and more. Oh, by the way, I got the tennis ball today. I ain't pulled the tennis ball out in a while. Neurolink and more programming. I'll start off with this. So, Elon Musk, very intelligent man. Very intelligent man. Oh, and by the way, I'm giving my best human attempt on this topic. No scientist over here. Anyways, Elon Musk, very intelligent man. Neuralink. So if you're someone like me who kind of, scratches the surface when it comes to like diving deep into these kind of topics, you kind of get a little skeptical, like, hold on. So this man is creating, and I think another guy named Max, he's either the CEO or whatever. You're creating this brain chip that can be implanted into a human's brain that can detect like health issues or promote better health way more efficient than another human being. And don't quote me on everything, but also like I watched one of the live studies where he was giving like a live broadcast on some pigs that he had already implanted this Neuralink chip in. And I remember him saying that the Neuralink is like having a Fitbit inside of your brain. Now, I understand mankind wants to continue evolution. Mankind wants to continue growing, continue evolving, further intelligence. I understand that. I'm all for that. However, it's time to make a choice. Y'all already saw what we've been going through in 2020. Coming 2021, it's time to make a choice. And I'm going to get to my thumbnail in just a minute. Either you're going to become a cyborg, because this is a choice to put a chip inside your brain and say yes to every vaccine that they announce with the C virus. It's a choice. Or you're going to say, no, I'm going to continue to be a spiritual being having a human experience as I walk along this journey and not get no chip implanted inside your head. Because I understand there's a lot of positivity with this Neuralink. I need to do some more research, but bringing awareness, because somebody watching this video may have never even heard of the word Neuralink, may not even know what it is. So now, since you've heard Neuralink, go look up Neuralink, Elon Musk, watch a few documentaries, go to a few blogs, and look at the pros and cons of it. Elon Musk also said it's going to be a weird future. So he's not 100% sure of what it's going to do to our brains either. What if, and this is just me giving my opinion on it, what if you decide, you know what, I'm going to get this Neuralink inside of my brain because I want to live a healthier life. I want to be able to detect health problems way faster than another human can. And I want to be able to like send telepathic messages to someone without even speaking. Okay, that's cool and all. I understand that. However, one thing that we are not taking into consideration is, what if Elon Musk wakes up one day, and I'm kind of relating this to Detroit Become Human, the Kamsky guy who created the cyber life. What if Elon Musk wakes up one day and says, you know what? Fuck the world. I set up a program in these chips to just completely malfunction. Because it's got a Bluetooth in it too. And then your head explodes. Not trying to scare you, but just some things to take into consideration. So I have my ups and downs on the Neuralink. Again, it's my opinion. It's my opinion. So I kind of just wanted to touch bases on that. Go ahead and switch hands real quick. So my thumbnail, small soldiers. The reason why I chose that thumbnail and the reason why I'm bringing up small soldiers is because as soon as I heard about Neuralink and that it's a brain chip, it's a microchip that's very, very powerful, and it will enhance artificial intelligence and damn near make us cyborgs, I thought of small soldiers. Why did I think of small soldiers? First of all, I give you a small rundown on small soldiers. I'm a 90s kid, so it's a movie from like the late 90s. I grew up watching it. Obviously as a child, didn't think much of it, but when you come more to your senses as you get older, you start taking care of yourself and do, some spiritual practices, etc. And you go back and watch old movies, you start to say, hold on. So they've been showing us this stuff before it even got here. Small soldiers. There's the most important thing that makes this entire movie, the X1000. What is the X1000? The X1000 is a microprocessor chip that's formed by military technology that has ultimate great defenses or something similar to that. So I thought of Neuralink. What they do is these two scientists put this chip inside of these toys. You have the Gorgonite scum and the Commando elites. I'm relating this to, it could be bots, sleep people, people who aren't, as aware. And then you have, that's the Commando elites. Then you have like the Gorgonite scum, outcast, considered conspiracy theorists, questioning everything, searching for freedom, fighting for freedom, trying to reach their homeland. Okay, so the main thing about toy soldiers, X1000, and Neuralink, programming. If you get a brain chip put inside of your head, that's more. We already walk around with phones every day. Every day. Like, it's on the side of our hips every day. So if you get an electronic device planted inside of your brain, you don't know what the outcome could be. I'm just trying to explain this the best way I can. I just thought of small soldiers because that was like the first thing that popped up. Like, damn, this reminds me of small soldiers, because when they put the X1000 inside of these toys' brains, now I understand it's a movie, right? So it's not realistic. But I'm just saying, they put these chips inside of these toys' brains. One group of toys was aware of it. They were like, okay, you know what? I am being programmed. I am being controlled. But I'm trying to break out of this. I see light. I see something greater. The Commando Elites, on the other hand, was like power, 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 power hungry, abusing power, one way or no way. And it caused a huge eruption. And I won't spoil the movie if you haven't seen it. It caused a great war at the end. So I just want to spread awareness on Neuralink. If you've never heard of it, go check that out. Do some research on it. And just more programming. We're already learning to like reprogram our minds every day. So think about hackers. Hackers are already on your case 24/7. So imagine if you got a microchip or this Neuralink planet inside your brain. Somebody is not only going to be manipulating you in the real world, but they're going to be getting through you in a technological way. I'm just trying to give my rundown on this, guys. Like Neuralink, huh? And evidently they've been trying to launch it for some time now, and I think they've had a few implants so far in humans. They've done multiple implants with animals. It's just like, man, what is next? What is mankind gonna think of next? Like, cell phones wasn't enough. Cell phones ain't enough to always know where we are, to always know what we're doing. I also watched a few, turn around. I also watched a few documentaries on what's been going on in China, right? Dude, from the time you open your eyes in the morning to the time you close them at night, you are being watched in a 360-degree angle. They have surveillance cameras, like they got like 8 to 10 surveillance cameras on one light pole. So, and also they can like get your identity miles away. So let's say one night you walking downtown or something and you decide to jaywalk because ain't nobody coming, nobody's around, so you just go ahead and cross the street. Best believe they got your face, they got your identity, face recognition. It's about business over there. They catch you in a heartbeat just for jaywalking. So, man, what is the world coming to, man? Like the other day, man, I think I might do a video on this. The other day, I forgot my phone. And I was out without my phone. You know what I noticed? First, I hit that small panic attack. I was like, oh, damn, I left my phone. And after a while, I started running some errands and doing a few things. I haven't felt more alive since I purchased this phone. I didn't have it on my side. It wasn't a constant distraction while I'm driving. It was just like a relief in a way, in a weird way, because we're so attached to them. We're so attached to our phones that we don't really think twice about it. It's like it's one of the first things you make sure you got before you leave the house. So when I left it, I was like, damn, I ain't got my phone on me, but I actually feel good. I was just able to enjoy what was in front of me more because I didn't have that constant distraction ringing in my pocket. So I talked about Neuralink a little bit. I talked about Small Soldiers. Go check that movie out. The last thing we need is more programming. Detach yourself from all the programs. It's a process, because I got programs that I'm still trying to like get rid of myself. Continue to love yourself, guys. You know, and just keep doing that. You know, meditation, it's like a natural remedy. I talk about that a lot on my channel. Keep doing that. And I think the most important thing is just to continue loving yourself. Continue loving yourself, guys. Got me a little workout today in nature. Just something, and I've been saying this for a while too. Something ain't right. Something like the elites, and sometimes I hesitate on speaking about these things because the ones that are aware and the ones that are like on this journey, the ones who are seeking the light, we know what's up. Is Big Brother really Big Brother, or is Big Brother really just the big stalker? Like, we know. And I got a video being watched and being listened to, so you are not alone. But it's just something weird in the atmosphere. Something weird in the atmosphere. But I'll end it like this. 2021, are you gonna work on becoming a cyborg and pretty much going along with the narrative, or are you gonna continue being your true authentic self, the best you can be, walking along this journey? I love you all, and I appreciate the support. Thanks to all my subscribers. I'm thankful for you guys. I am also thankful for the day. I get my little small thankful dance in. Okay. Hey guys. Hold on. Okay. Life and waves are alike. They never stop.